I'm here to share a truly game changing development. Imagine managing diabetes without needles, no more daily injections or discomfort. This isn't a dream, it's a reality with inhalable insulin, which is set to revolutionize care for millions. I'm Shulida. Stay tuned as we dive into how this breakthrough is rewriting the rules of diabetes management. Now, for years, the daily routine of diabetes management has often been synonymous with needles, a source of anxiety, pain, discomfort. Patients who are young and old have endured countless injections in the stomach, which is administered here, a constant reminder of their condition. But what if that could change? What if managing diabetes become as simple as taking a breath? This was the challenge that drove researchers, and now their vision has become a reality with the advent of inhalable insulin, which is just like when you suffer from cold, you can easily inhale that tiny little instrument to clear your throat and your nose. This isn't just a new drug, it's a paradigm shift, offering needle-free path to glucose control. Think about the millions in India and Pakistan grappling with this rising diabetes epidemic. For them, this just isn't an innovation, it's hope. It's truly a hopeful situation. I envision a future where individuals with such diabetes can breathe a sigh of relief, where adherence improves dramatically, and where the conversation around diabetes shifts from burden to empowerment. This technology promises to unlock a new era of care, making life not just manageable but truly one can live life free from needles. For those impacted by diabetes, it's about giving back control one gentle breath at a time. Needle-free delivery say goodbye to injections. Rapid action, quick versus quick and effective insulin absorption. Enhanced comfort, which reduces discomfort, pain, and anxiety. Improved adherence. It's easier daily management. Global impact, a game changer for millions. Future of care, pioneering accessible diabetes solution. Now, this is more than just a medical advancement. It's a profound shift in quality of life. The potential for inhalable insulin to transform diabetes care, especially in regions like ours, is immense. Pharmaceutical companies, this is a true call to action. Let's collaborate to bring this accessible, painless future to fruition. Repost, follow us on the YouTube channel for more such innovation conversations shaping our healthcare landscape. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel.